Hey there, space enthusiasts! It's hard to miss the buzz around SpaceX these days. Whether it's a successful launch, a critical mission accomplished, or the latest Starship prototype test, SpaceX is always making waves in the news. And recently, they've been in the spotlight again for a major milestone, the final test before their next big Starship launch. In this video, we're diving into all the details of SpaceX's latest achievement. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all things Starship and SpaceX. So, let's talk about the big news. SpaceX recently hit a crucial milestone with a successful static fire test of Ship 30. This test comes after two earlier cryogenic tests, and it's one of the last steps before a full launch. Essentially, it's a simulation of the intense conditions a rocket faces during takeoff. Engineers fully load the rocket's fuel tanks, chill the engines, and fire them at full power to check engine performance, fuel flow, and control systems. Now, let's talk about the test itself. The ignition process began with the fueling of liquid oxygen and methane, and soon, a frost line appeared on the rocket, indicating that the liquid oxygen was ready. After about 45 minutes, venting streams below the test stand signaled that the engines were chilled and ready to fire. When the test began, all 6 Raptor engines ignited simultaneously, producing over 1,000 tons of thrust. The whole process lasted only 4 to 5 seconds, but it confirmed that Ship 30's engines could ignite together under controlled conditions. The static fire test was quite a spectacle, with smoke streaks swirling around the ship upon engine activation, creating layers that looked like a tornado. This effect was enhanced by the flames below. SpaceX celebrated this achievement with a tweet hinting at the next steps for Ship 30, which might include more single-engine static fire tests before moving on to upgrades. But that's not all. SpaceX also achieved another milestone with the Falcon 9 rocket. On May 8th, they launched 23 Starlink satellites into low Earth orbit from Launch Complex 39A at NASA's Kennedy Space Center. This launch broke the record for the total number of space missions launched from that pad, marking SpaceX's 83rd orbital launch from LC-39A. This impressive count includes 74 Falcon 9 missions and 9 Falcon Heavy missions, highlighting SpaceX's rapid launch cadence and progress in reusable rocket technology. Launch Complex 39A has a rich history, originally constructed for the Saturn V launches during the Apollo program. After SpaceX took over, they modified the pad for their Falcon rockets, making it central to their launch operations. This particular Falcon 9 mission was the third launch of booster B-1083, which had previously flown on the Crew 8 mission to the International Space Station and a Starlink mission. The booster's successful third flight reinforces the reliability of SpaceX's reusable rocket program. So, while SpaceX is making history with these achievements, their competitor Boeing's Starliner spacecraft is facing challenges. The recent cancellation of a test adds to the program's delays and technical problems. Boeing's Starliner program has faced repeated delays and technical issues, raising concerns about its reliability. And that's a wrap for today's update. If you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.